Hey guys, this is your market review for Thursday, June 4th. And looking here at the early morning market, we know that the momentum was kind of 50-50. Uh, Market open was right around in this area, and we had a strong run down with strong momentum in BBs as well. You see the spacing and angle with wide Bollinger Bands. And then we had a pretty equal move back to the upside. We had a strong pop up, got us above our zero line. Also got us back above the mid band here. So we had a magenta and flat LRC. So we were bearish there. We're under the LRC. We're on top of the zero line in the mid band. So it's kind of 50-50. We're also at our last resistance area. So you see when market opens, we have support on the zero line and we have resistance up here with the trend line and the LRC. So it's kind of 50-50 in this area. Once we break out to the downside, you see that we come in. This is actually the outer band on the 233. So we come to this price area, and then we get a retracement. This is actually a 50% retracement back to the LRC in the mid band. This is just one of our classic high probability trades. And we actually come within 2 ticks of completing this extension, but we do have that outer band as our target on both time frames. So this was a nice little 3-point trade here. We come back up into the LRC, have high probability area, 50% retracement. This was actually a very a higher time frame support area, and my snap tool is on. Give me 1 second. Down here in the 928, this was a big area of support, which is why the market reversed like this. When we popped off, you see there was a lot of momentum that broke back through the zero line, got us above our mid-band LRC, turned it cyan and upward trending. We then turned the 933 area that was previously support, then resistance, back into support. And you can see whenever we come down, we also have this trend line as the area. And when we tag the midband, if you notice, we still have spread Bollinger Bands at this point. So we know whenever we have a pop up, we can look for a deep retracement till we get the squeezing on the Bollinger Bands, which we get, and then we make a very nice measured move. So another really nice high probability trade that actually comes to the tick of our 100% extension. So a nice 5-point potential on that trade. And then it goes very slow through lunch here. At about 110 or so, we pull back. Same scenario where we have a strong push up in price and momentum. Pull back, weak retracement, bull flag above the mid-band zero line, turn the 936 area into support, and then the first time we touch the area, have spread Bollinger Bands. We pop up, pull back, squeezing Bollinger Bands, high probability entry on the 233 with a mid-band and LRC. And then you see we complete the extension to the upside here. And then it's about 240 at the time of this recording. Momentum has really died out, just kind of went flat. We had one last chance for an area here, which we got a little bit of momentum off of that. But other than that, we're still within this channel. Not a huge breakout. We're at some really big longer term resistance at this point. So, instead of trying to fight this channel and guess when we're going to break out, it's probably best just to close it down. We've already had 3 or 4 really nice setups today, so you could have been extremely profitable.